Ladies and gentlemen, this is your YouTuber, Nolaine Phoenix, back with a new series. This will be Last Day on Earth. I have played it before, and I enjoyed it quite well. We are going to be playing a female, because that is what I am. Very pasty white one. I guess we're not getting pasty. Alright, what kind of hairstyles y'all got? We're gonna go with one that's kinda what one should wear for survival. Aw, I can't have a beard. Too bad. She got a cute butt. That's something. Alright. I'm going to just go ahead and put my YouTube name in. Hope that's cool with y'all. Please don't come attack me on raid. Phoenix. Okay. Confirm. No, my natural hair is not white. I wish it was, but I am not a platinum blonde, sadly. Okay, this is another mobile game. That's why you'll notice the little sun in the corner, like every other mobile game I play. I have been recording some stuff on the computer. I'm in the process of editing right now, actually. I kind of got a little angry at the movie editor because it decided to crash while I was in the middle of editing, so I gotta start over. Yay! Okay, and into the beginning. Gonna search our little truck here. I do have a base layout planned. I hope that's okay with y'all. Gonna equip this, gonna equip that. Anyway, welcome to Last Day on Earth. Let's get rid of all the zombies in our new base. You'll notice I've actually figured out how to have volume without blowing y'all's ears out and blowing my own voice away. That's always nice, right? So never do Salmon Keep again. Never gonna be able to do it after what I did. Alright. See, we even have a little deer in our home. Woo woo. Okay, I'm gonna leave the trees and stuff here. I'm gonna pick up some plant fiber and stuff, but just so that we can have some start off equipment. Auto? Okay, yeah, I can auto talk. Well, I try to talk. Okay, so I'm going to be doing grinding off camera probably because I intend to watch a lot of videos. What happened? Can there be no auto? Oh, right, I don't have to worry about waiting to kill all the zombies before I can fight. I'm sorry, guys, I've been playing Saga of Stormfall instead of continuing to grind for caveman survival like I should be. Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry, guys. Let's see here. Oh, I already lost some health. Oh, well. So, I hope you guys are excited for this Let's Play series, because I'm going to be playing a lot of similar games, because I downloaded them all at once, because I'm a survival fanatic. Also, I completely and totally love this game, so I'm sure I'll love all others like it. I'm seriously going based off of this game. I might not even like the other ones I downloaded. Saga of Stormfall is pretty good, though. None can deny it. Okay, we're gonna go into some crafting while that happens. Our backpack. Okay, learn craft. Basically the first thing I'm worrying about. Oh, and a bed. Craft. And a box. Learn. Okay. Craft. Can I actually craft that? Okay. You can only have a maximum of 2 beds, so don't make the same mistake I did. Go ahead and... Oh, I guess it takes you out of auto after you start building. Okay. We're gonna go around back with our garden bed. If we can. Okay, so we're just gonna get rid of those berries later. We're gonna pick that up and pick that up and pick that up and get ready to put it on a box. Check. Alright. Back to auto. I hope you guys will enjoy this game. I'm going to be like a video fanatic, and just whenever I get back on, I'll show you guys the stuff I will get, because building, where did they take it out in the 2 days I had to be off? Experience, money, best, view, building. Oh, I guess I have to be on for a few days before it'll let me do it, maybe? Or did they take it out in the update I missed? Okay, we're gonna do that actual list of tasks in the correct order, because why wouldn't we? Okay, use, okay. Visit Pine Bush, build 2 level 1 walls, kill 20 zombies in any pine location. Okay, we're gonna... Ooh, look, we get bandages, and... Ooh, we even come with duct tape. I did not remember that. Okay, put all this here. Rope, vine, water, scrap metal. We're gonna put that stuff in here. Ooh, we can go ahead and select skills. Do you have a 2% chance to get rare loot, extra ore, or movement speed? Okay, for now, I'm just gonna go with the lucky chance. I hope it's cool with you guys. I should probably go ahead and place that stuff here. Voila. Make me some carrots, baby. Okay, pick all that up. Pick all that up. Okay. Go ahead and build our level 1 walls. This way. There we go. We do need to build. Hang on. There we go. Alright. Hatchet. Pickaxe. I need to shower. Learn. Learn! Oh, I don't have points left. That's why I can't learn it. Oops. Okay, so. Stone. Wood. I'll probably do some inventory management off camera. Do it. Move that over there. Off we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. I'm just gonna leave the deer and stuff there for now. If I get desperate while I'm on camera and I don't want to pause the recording and go look for more stuff, that's probably what I'll cut down. Who knows, maybe there's an idea and a concept now of everything growing back. On our base, at least. Okay, pine bushes. Run! Run, little baby, run! Okay. So I already know what I'm going to start off with getting. I hope you guys don't mind me just putting myself on auto and talking about a few random things. I mean, if you want to actually watch me try to... no, I'm going to try to fight. Make up your mind, woman. Sneak. Eat. My... Ah, no. You die. You die. You die. Have stuff for me. I think that was an automated player. I could be wrong. I don't know. Oh, look, he had a wheel. I don't know what kind of wheel, but he had a wheel. Is that a... Hold on, hold on. Puppy! Oh my god, it's a puppy! Just... Can I have a moment, everybody? It's a puppy. My inventory is already full. Okay, I'm done. Alright. Just kinda, okay. Oh, it's a fast spider. And recording, auto, eat. Okay, there we go. I don't care about the recording anymore. Or not the recording, the auto anymore. I need the recording. You guys are my life support. I'm moving the sun up here. Take all. No, I'm not moving the sun up here. I'm moving it over here. Alright, I don't see you some bandages. You need rubber sockets for rubber. Oh, I do see you using bandages. I just don't use them that much. Food is better. What kind of body is this? Oh, it's passcode to Bunker Alpha. We're definitely not ready for that. It's rogue zombie. We can't jump in the wall. Taste my axe. Did I loot that? Yeah, I looted it. Okay. We already have a puppy. We already have a puppy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna be excited about that forever. Oh, we already leveled up again. Increase your health. Extra. I'm gonna go ahead and increase health. Sorry, guys, but what's the point in getting better bandages when you don't use bandages, rather? Understand my words, everybody. Understand my words. Wow, I'm already half starved. Oh well. Okay, run. Ba-dum bum ba-da-bum. Ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum dum 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 ba-dum ba-da-da-da. Sorry guys, I have had that stuck in my head. I know it's not Christmas, but nothing wrong with the good old Sugar Plum Fairy Waltz, is it? Yes, I'm a band nerd, don't judge me, even though I have, like, no rhythm. None whatsoever. Okay, so. I'm sorry, little puppy. You have to go in storage for now. Okay, so. Yeah, scrap metal. Gonna have to, like, do some major organizing at some point. Soon. Hopefully. Very soon. Okay, that's a chopper wheel. Okay, so you notice how we have this little, like, garage thing over here? We have the chopper out setting and the gunsmith bench. Really, it's just a modification bench. That's not the gunsmith bench. We're gonna put the stolen player's backpack in here, along with one of 2 chopper wheels we will need, and like the 20 you need for the ATV. Then we're gonna keep the rest of this, and just whenever we have it in bulk, and we don't need it for other things, then we'll put it all in there. I already had that, didn't I? Okay, I need to, like, I'm gonna need some major organizing. I'm probably gonna be doing a lot of building off camera. Why bother keeping that? It's almost broken. Delete items. Sort. Hit sort. Nothing to stack. Okay. Wood. Sort. Going back. Yeah, you'll already notice how easy it is to fill up if you have to fight a player. Pretty sure it was a computer player, otherwise I might have accidentally killed somebody. I don't know if they changed that in the last few updates or not. They do update pretty quickly, so. Crashed plane. Run. We're gonna do it and probably die. Why isn't the I don't understand why it's not there. I know, I'm still not getting over the fact that the videos aren't there. By the way, those beans and that water is like a daily thing. You get thing of cans of beans and three bottles of water, which is why I really never loot water if I can get rid of it. You can also refill them, so all you really need is 2 bottles of water, because you have to have them for showers. I know that. Yep. I'm gonna shut up. Alright. Okay. Ooh, look. All kinds of fancy stuff. Fancy schmancy. Okay. Just keep on keeping on. Oh. Oops. Ignore that, everybody. Equip. So stylish, everybody. Don't you love my sense of fashion? Fashiony? Ain't I pretty? Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'll stop, maybe, someday, for 20 seconds. You guys got like half a second of weirdness to avoid. Or for me to avoid being weird, I guess. I don't know. Just deal with me. You gotta be here for some reason, right? Maybe you stumbled upon this. Poor soul. Use. Trade. Oh, alright. We don't need that phone. And even if we did, we can come back for it. Oh, would you look at that, a Roman zombie? Eat my steel. You got any rope? Yep. Golden watch, you'll get them by the thousands. Ooh, beans. Sorry guys, that was me just hitting my phone against my desk. Because I still have you guys in my hands. But I'm leaning on my desk. Because I'm a dork. Equip. Equip. Drink. Because why not? Did I just take that? I'm still gonna place it all properly. I might come back for anything I just didn't take. Who knows? Oh. Do I eat? I eat. Eat. Ate it. Schmuckers. Equip. Trade. Oh, I might come back. I'm definitely, probably, most likely coming back after that. Because, oh, crowbar. Use. I don't need food. What's with all the... Well, I guess they do kind of need food on a plane. It's a plane. The gold is just important for traders and stuff, if that's what you guys are probably staring at my screen going, take that instead. I'm sorry, guys. I'm probably gonna have to make a chest when I get home just to... Eat the jerky, human. Eat the jerky. Oh, we're not here for the bandage. We want the gun. We want the beautiful gun. Okay, before I actually go through the bunkers, you guys are gonna notice that I'm gonna have like a stash of guns. Because I die easy. I die a lot. My longest streak has probably been about 7 or 8 days. And I was inactive for half of those. So, just to make my point, you die. I love taking a baseball bat to zombies' heads. Mwahahaha. I know, I'm so normal and fantastic, and you all just love me. Sorry, guys. Alright. I'm trying to leave the zone. Thank you. So, are you guys excited? I've probably already asked that. I can't do drops. I'm not ready for drops. Hit the home. Hit the home on my doodle. Just got the normal stuff I normally get. We're gonna need that shower. Not for a while, but we're gonna need it. Whenever we start peeing, we're gonna need it. I know that sounds so wonderful. Come on. Load, baby. Maybe he has some extra stuff for me. There's that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Should I do that? Okay, so not what I was wanting. Rope. That. Duct tape. Everything else in here. Oh, if we could fit it all. What does it take to build another chest? Okay, wood and fiber. Wood. Fiber. I don't have a lot of fiber. I'm gonna have to go get some fiber. Well, I can pick some up while we're there. Craft. Craft. Build. Furniture. Place. Window. There we go. Back here for you. I'm sorry, guys. I know. It's so painful. Alright. You wouldn't happen to have... Yes, this is what we're looking for. That's like a fiber. You eat it and it'll max out your stamina for you. And then there's the ad that comes with it. I'll be back, guys. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy this episode. I hope you've been enjoying this episode. Because I'm just gonna finish going back through there. And then I'm going to take you guys to that airdrop if I can. And then I'm just gonna cut you off. Ignore that message, that is my mother. Like, I don't have one or anything. Stop laughing. I do have friends, thank you. I mean, someone had to make me. Not that they don't often question why. Because who wouldn't question why I'm here? Question why you're here. Question why we're all here. Okay, no one needs an internal crisis. Don't listen to me. Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry, guys. I really need to work on that saying sorry all the time. Okay, we cleared that out. We cleared that out. Just gonna go through this whole thing again. But we don't have to go through with the whole... Okay, apparently we're taking water bottles. I'll probably end up ditching them for plant fiber. Because there is some here. I'll just put myself on auto whenever we're done going through this place. I probably should have stripped myself naked so that way I could carry some of the extra clothing. Wrong side. Wrong side. Cleavers. Yep. Okay, that was emptied out. That's gonna be empty. Alright. Well, we're definitely getting plenty of clothing at least. Wow. Wrong button. Wow. We are going to trash these. Yep. I know some of you are cringing in horror, but we need the plant fiber. Did we seriously just take berries? Okay, we are gonna need the dog cans. No, 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 stop picking up the limestone. So triggered. Pick this up. Okay, there you go. Now we free. Pain in the buttocks. Alright. So, I hope you guys are enjoying this video and enjoying me cussing myself out. Because that's exactly what I've been doing half of this video already. Looks like our time is almost up, everybody. We've got like 4 minutes, so I'm going to try and head to that one event. Hope I have the room for it. And then we're going to run. Okay, so I'm just going to like try to go in there. I'm probably going to have to trade some stuff out because there might be chopper equipment in there. And we need chopper equipment. Pardon me. Yeah, 4 minutes. Enter. Okay. Well, there are a couple of other videos I'll do, but I'm gonna probably do them every other day when I record them finally, because I basically record, make sure they're worthy of being in your ears, being in y'all's wonderfully strong, durable, somehow happy to watch me ears. See, those things right here, these things, are why we need a shower. Because of that can make you stinky, which ruins any chance of sneaking, or getting deer, or basically living. Come on, baby, light my fire. I need to get myself one of these days. Okay, we're gonna drink that, and take this, and... No. Okay, we got plenty of cans. Take the HYYYY wheel. Okay, that's all that's important. Take a piss. Pardon my French. I'm sorry. I'm trying to be clean. It's not working. Okay, you tiny human. Oh, that's a floater boater. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Take your plant fiber. Take your plant fiber. Let him sit on you. Sure, just let him sit there. Run. Get some plant fiber off of the outskirts. Run, little baby, run. Plant fiber. Plant fiber. Plant fiber. Plant fiber. This is what it looks like at the beginning of the game whenever it's me playing, guys. You guys are gonna be so much smarter about this and know what you're doing 100% instead of just running for your life like a child or a baby. No, babies can't run. Child is better. Or maybe a corrupt tyrant. Bank robber, maybe? Someone on the death penalty? No, those people don't run. They're happy. They do those things for a reason. Life is pretty depressing anyway, so. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head on home, sort stuff like that. This is Elaine Phoenix signing out. I'll see you in the next season, or video.